This week in 5th grade, we are going to be learning about the Big 6 skills for research. Why the Big 6, you ask? In this digital age, we have information all around us, but that does not always mean that we can find the information we need, when we need it, and in a format we want and can use. That's where the Big 6 skills come in, helping us work smarter in a process of 6 information literacy steps. The Big 6 skills can be applied anywhere an information problem needs to be solved. It is a perfect model to use for research projects in the classroom. So these are the ways that the Big 6 will be helping us. It will help us find the information we need. It will help us work smarter. It will help us become information literate, help us solve information problems, and help us with research projects. In this lesson, you will be learning what the steps are for each of the Big 6 research skills and what questions to ask yourself while you are going through each one. After learning the steps, you will work in small groups. Each group will be given a step and a research topic example to practice with using online resources. Each group will then present how they solved their information problem with their Big 6 skill and with their example. At the end of the lesson, we will play a review game, with the object being to guess the skill from Big 6 when given one of the subcategories or questions associated with that skill. Also, remember to take your pre-assessment quiz on the Big 6. The Big 6 can be applied to various research student standards. A 5th grade TEKS standard for research falls under an ELA and reading category for knowledge and skills, subcategory for inquiry and research, which explains students engaging in both short-term and sustained inquiry processes for a variety of purposes, and a further subcategory involving identifying and gathering relevant information from a variety of sources. With a 5th grade Common Core standard for ELA writing, research to build and present knowledge, students will conduct short research projects that use several sources to build knowledge through investigation of different aspects of a topic. The ISTE standard falls under the category Knowledge Constructor and subcategory which involves students planning and employing effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual or creative pursuits. The AASL standard, which can be applied to research, falls under the domain Create and the shared foundation Curate, where learners gather information appropriate to the task of collecting information representing diverse perspectives. On the slide, you can see the numbers that stand for each one of these standards.